Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best drywall spackle is probably one of the most useful products for DIY home repairs, offering a quick and easy solution for patching up those unsightly holes and cracks in your walls. This video will dive deep into what makes a great drywall spackle, examining factors like drying time, ease of application, durability, and overall finish, helping you choose the perfect product for your next home improvement project, whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior. Number 5. Red Devil 0542 Spackle. Say goodbye to tedious patching. This spackle makes filling holes and cracks a breeze, saving you time and effort on your DIY projects. It's perfect for all your surfaces. Use it on drywall, plaster, wood, or stucco, indoors or out. It's the ultimate repair solution. Get a smooth, professional finish without the sanding. It's ready for painting as soon as it's dry. This spackle is built to last. It won't shrink, crack, or flake, ensuring long-lasting repairs you can trust. Finish your project quickly and easily. It's ready for paint in minutes, giving you professional-looking results. This high-quality spackle is made right here in the USA, ensuring superior quality and performance. What we like. This spackle is incredibly easy to use, suitable for various surfaces, and requires no sanding. If you value convenience and a smooth finish without extra effort, this is the perfect choice for your DIY projects. It's ideal for those who want quick and easy repairs without the hassle of sanding or multiple applications. You'll get professional-looking results in no time. What people say. The spackle is super easy to apply, just a quick swipe with the included tool, and it filled the hole smoothly. It dried quickly, and within a few hours, I was able to sand it down and paint over it to blend it in with the rest of the wall. The Red Devil 0542 one-time lightweight spackling is fantastic for filling holes. It's easy to apply, dries quickly, and creates a smooth, flawless finish. The Red Devil 0542 one-time lightweight spackling is a highly effective product for quick and easy wall repairs. Its smooth, creamy texture makes application a breeze, ensuring a professional finish even for beginners. The spackling dries quickly, allowing for efficient sanding and painting within hours. Its lightweight formula minimizes cracking and shrinking, providing long-lasting results. Number 4. Sugelary Drywall Repair Kit. This kit provides a quick and easy solution for repairing holes, chips, and scratches in your walls. It's perfect for both interior and exterior use. The unique formula, a blend of wall glue, resin, and carbonate, ensures strong adhesion and an invisible finish. Just squeeze, scrape, and you're done. It's so easy to use. Simply extrude the spackle, scrape it smooth, and let it dry for a professional-looking repair. Gloves are recommended. It works wonders on walls, doors, cabinets, and more. Restore your home's beauty with ease, no need to call a professional. The kit includes repair paste, a nozzle extender, scraper, gloves, and sandpaper, everything you need for a complete repair. It's all in one convenient package. If the spackle is thick, add a little hot water and mix well. Remember to store it between -2 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius for best results. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution for drywall repair, including all the necessary tools. Its advanced formula ensures strong adhesion and an invisible finish. If you're looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-use solution with everything you need in one box, this kit is for you. It's perfect for those who want a professional-looking repair without the need for multiple products or tools. The convenience and ease of use make it a great option for beginners and experienced DIYers alike. What people say. It's great. Very easy to apply, it dries quickly and the kit comes with everything you need for a small job. There is even a little sandpaper included to help smooth it out. The patches adhere well, lay very flat and smooth, are very sturdy. The included nozzle saved the day. I just held the spackle nozzle up to the hole, gave it a squeeze, quickly moved away from the hole at an angle, and done after a wipe down a few hours later. Number 3. BONCART Drywall Repair Kit. This kit makes fixing damaged walls quick and easy. It's perfect for patching holes, cracks, and other imperfections. You get 2 tubes of wall mending agent, 2 nozzle extenders, a scraper, and 2 sheets of sandpaper, everything you need for a professional finish. Simply squeeze it out, smooth it with the spatula, and let it dry. It's reusable, so you can tackle multiple repairs. It's formaldehyde-free, highly resistant to breakage, streak-free, and waterproof. The repair will be virtually invisible. This kit handles drywall cracks, stains, nail holes, peeling, and even graffiti. Give your walls a brand new look. We're here to help. Contact us anytime with any questions you may have before or after your purchase. What we like. Get twice the amount of spackle with this economical 2-pack kit. It's quick and easy to use, and the formula is safe and environmentally friendly. If you need to repair multiple areas or are working on a larger project, this kit provides excellent value and convenience. It's a great choice for those who want a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality or ease of use. The added convenience of having extra spackle on hand is a definite plus. What people say. It holds up well and easy to apply directly from the squeeze tube. Patched all my small drywall dents quickly and nice just before painting. I love the plastic scraper that it comes with perfect size. Used for holes that were about 1/4 inch round. I had to fill about 12 holes from the previous homeowner. It's very easy to apply and required little sanding on my part. You can't see where the holes were once I painted. First time filling holes myself, but the instructions were easy to follow and I could quickly fill the holes I needed to within minutes. I liked how this kit came with 2 bottles, so I can use one in the future when we move. Number 2. Gorilla Wall Repair Spackling. Say goodbye to unsightly wall damage. This innovative spackling compound makes repairs quick and easy. It's perfect for patching walls, ceilings, and cracks, both big and small. It creates a strong, lasting fix. The lightweight formula is simple to spread and control, ensuring a smooth, even application every time. Unlike other spackling compounds, this one won't sag, shrink, or crack, providing a flawless finish. It boasts a smooth finish that requires no sanding, saving you time and effort. It's ready for paint in a flash. This 2-in-1 formula acts as both spackling compound and primer, simplifying the repair process. It dries quickly, so you can paint over it in just 15 minutes. Get the job done fast. What we like. This heavy-duty spackle provides strong and durable repairs that won't crack or shrink. It requires no sanding and dries quickly, making it perfect for those who need a fast and long-lasting solution. If you need a strong, long-lasting repair that's ready for paint in minutes, this is your best bet. It's ideal for larger holes or areas that require extra strength and durability. The time-saving aspect is a huge benefit for busy individuals. What people say. Works great at patching holes in drywall. I had a bunch of holes in the garage walls I needed to repair. Big holes or small holes, the stuff adhered well and dried rock hard. It says it can patch a hole up to 8 wide. I didn't have holes that large, but it did a great job on a 2-hole. Packed some newspaper in the back of the hole to keep the patch material from falling in and smeared it on. Dried well and rock hard. Love the square container too. The straight edges make scraping the putty knife super easy, unlike the round or curved edge containers. Dried, it looks amazing. Number 1. DryDex Spackling 707-981-2328. DryDex is a versatile spackling compound perfect for patching up those nicks and dings on your walls, both inside and out. It works great on various surfaces, from drywall to brick. See when it's dry. It starts pink and turns white once it's ready. This handy feature saves you time and ensures a perfect finish. This spackle dries quickly. For shallow repairs, it's ready in about an hour. Deeper holes might need a couple of coats. Unlike other spackles, this one won't crack, crumble, or shrink. Your repairs will look professional and last for years to come. For indoor jobs, you can skip the primer. Just apply it directly to the surface and let it dry. It's that easy. DryDex is simple to apply and provides a smooth, even finish. It's the perfect solution for all your interior and exterior patching needs. What we like. This spackle features a color-changing indicator that lets you know when it's dry. It dries quickly and creates a durable, professional-looking finish. If you need to know exactly when your repair is ready for paint, this is the spackle for you. It's a great choice for those who want a precise and reliable repair that lasts. The color indicator eliminates any guesswork, ensuring a smooth and efficient repair process. What people say. The unique feature of this spackling compound is its dry time indicator. The pink color of the compound changes to white when it is completely dry and ready for sanding or painting. The consistency is perfect, neither too thick nor too runny. It spreads smoothly and evenly, allowing for easy application. Once dry, it sands down beautifully, leaving a flawless surface ready for paint. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.